The 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class sets a new standard for luxury executive sedans, seamlessly integrating sophisticated design, advanced technology, and impressive performance into a singular, refined offering. The new E-Class features a refined silhouette, streamlined LED taillights, and aerodynamic curves, reflecting Mercedes' ongoing commitment to sophistication and innovation. The 2026 E-Class features a range of powertrain options, including a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 and a 3.0-liter inline-6 mild hybrid system. The E4504 MATIC, positioned at the top of the range, offers approximately 375 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, achieving a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in merely 4.6 seconds. Mercedes' sophisticated 4MATIC all-wheel drive system and a refined 9-speed automatic transmission efficiently handle power, ensuring assurance and stability on any terrain. Opulence dominates the interior. The cabin features Mercedes' latest MBUX Superscreen, which extends across the dashboard and includes integrated OLED displays for both the driver and passenger. The combination of ambient lighting, premium leather upholstery, and open-pore wood trims establishes an environment of contemporary luxury. The available Burmester 4D surround sound system elevates the cabin experience to that of a concert hall, complemented by advanced noise insulation that ensures a tranquil journey. Drivers with a strong understanding of technology will value features such as Level 2 semi-autonomous driving, augmented reality navigation, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Mercedes enhances safety through its latest Driver Assistance Plus package, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and automatic emergency braking. The 2026 E-Class demonstrates remarkable efficiency while delivering substantial power. With its 48-volt mild hybrid system, it provides enhanced fuel efficiency and more seamless acceleration. A plug-in hybrid variant is available, offering an electric-only range of up to 60 miles. The pricing for the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class begins at approximately $62,000 for the E350 model, whereas the E454M ATIC is priced around $74,000, subject to options and packages selected. Given the quality of craftsmanship and sophisticated engineering, the price is reasonable for one of the most comprehensive sedans available in its category. In conclusion, the 2026 E-Class exemplifies Mercedes-Benz's commitment to timeless elegance and forward-thinking advancements. This vehicle transcends mere transportation. It embodies a contemporary standard of luxury, meticulously crafted for individuals who prioritize comfort, advanced technology, and exceptional driving performance in seamless unity.
Step into the future of luxury. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class features exquisite maroon leather and unparalleled rear legroom.